Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Prelims Current Affairs brought to you by Ekam IAS. Today on 2nd August, the important topics we have to see are State Energy Efficiency Preparedness Index, Seva Bhoja Yojana and Geographical Indication Logo Tagline, Strategic Trade Authorization, and in our map program we will see Hambantota Port, and finally we will be having previous question revision series. Our first topic is State Energy Efficiency Preparedness Index. This index is released by the Ministry of Power. We know that the energy efficiency is an important matter of concern because the Indian government is considering energy efficiency as a resource. So, we have to foster the activities or programs to meet the energy efficiency goals. So, this particular index by Ministry of Power assesses the state policies and programs aimed at improving energy efficiency across various sectors. So, it will be very helping for Indian government to implement the programs or initiatives to meet the energy efficiency goals of both the center and the state. This index is a joint effort of Niti Aayog and Bureau of Energy Efficiency, and it is prepared by Bureau of Energy Efficiency and Alliance for an Energy Efficient Economy, that is AEEE. So, let us see what is Bureau of Energy Efficiency and Alliance for an Energy Efficient Economy. Bureau of Energy Efficiency is a statutory body under Ministry of Power. They are preparing the Energy Performance Index. See, Bureau of Energy Efficiency prepare the Energy Performance Index. That is an important fact. Next is Alliance for an Energy Efficient Economy. This is the only organization in India that strives to work create awareness about energy efficiency. So, they are creating awareness about energy efficiency as a resource, and they promote energy efficient innovation and entrepreneurship in order to make India as an energy efficient market. Their name itself says Alliance for Energy Efficient Economy, to make India an energy efficient market. Our next topic is Seva Bhoja Yojana. It is an initiative of Ministry of Culture. You know, many of the religious institutions and other charitable institutions are giving free food to the public as well as to their devotees. So, the government want to reduce the financial burden or the tax burden on such good institutions. So, the objection of this scheme, that is Seva Bhoja Yojana, is to the government is reimbursing, the central government is reimbursing the central government share of central GST and integrated GST to lessen the financial burden or the tax burden of such religious or charitable institutions. They are giving free food to the people. The institutions can apply to this scheme if they meet some criteria. They should be serving free food to at least 5,000 people in a month, and they should have been in existence for at least 3 years before they are applying, and they should be covered under any of these laws: Income Tax Act 1961 or Companies Act 2013, Societies Registration Act 1860 or any relevant act. And they have to register under a portal. If an institution want to register under this scheme, they have to apply in a portal called Darpan portal. It is a portal created by Niti Aayog. Darpan portal is a portal by Niti Aayog in order to make more interface or communication between the central government and some other voluntary organizations or NGO. So, it is about Seva Bhoja Yojana. It is an initiative by Ministry of Culture in order to reduce the tax burden or financial burden of charitable trusts. They are giving free food to the people by reimbursing or reducing the central share on GST. Next topic is Geographical Indication Logo and Tagline. Recently, the Ministry of Commerce and Industry has launched a logo for geographical indication in India and a tagline. The tagline is Invaluable Treasures of Incredible India. It is a catching tagline only. And let us revise what is geographical indication, who is giving geographical indication, and which is the nodal agency. These are the key facts. So, you know that geographical indication is the sign used on products. The products can be agricultural products, natural products or industrial products or handicrafts. On such products, some signs are giving. The importance or significance of that sign is, it tells that it is coming from a particular geographical area or its origin is a particular geographical area. That's why this product will be having some reputation or a good quality. or that products having GI tags will be having, they possess a reputation or quality because of that particular geographical origin. It is what about GI tag or geographical indication, and the GI tag is given by the Registrar of Geographical Indications in India. The nodal agency for GI and IPR in India is the Cell for IPR Promotions and Management, that is CIPA, under Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion. Next topic is Strategic Trade Authorization. Recently, the US government has added India in the Strategic Trade Authorization List 1. What is the significance of this status, that is Strategic Trade Authorization status to India is, according to the export regulation laws in the USA, the countries, they want to export some defense or some technology from USA, they will be having some license. So, once the country get listed in the Strategic Trade Authorization list of the US government, such countries will be exempted from the licensing. It means India has been added to the Strategic Trade Authorization list of the US government. So, India doesn't need any licensing not to make any defense export or technology export or some other export to India from US. It is the benefits for India. So, we can say it will increase the volume of the defense export from USA to India, and more transfer of technology will be happening from USA to India. It will be very beneficial for Indian economy. And India is the only South Asian nation along with the USA NATO allies like South Korea, Australia and Japan to be listed in the Strategic Trade Authorization list of USA. Now let us go to our map aided program. Today we have to locate Hambantota port. It is a port at the southern part of Sri Lanka in Indian Ocean. Last year it has been appeared in news because Sri Lanka officially handed over this port to China. So, it will make some strategic concern regarding India because this port is becoming the part of Chinese string of pearls. So, let us see other important ports in Indian Ocean. They are also having Chinese presence. They are Chittagong port belongs to Bangladesh, Gwadar port belongs to Pakistan, Marawa Atoll belongs to Maldives. Here is our previous question revision series. Yesterday only we have started this. Let us see today's question. It was asked in 2016. The question is, which of the following are the indicator or indicators used by IFPRI to compute the Global Hunger Index report? They have given, first one is undernourishment, second is child stunting and third is child mortality. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Options are A tells 1 only, B 2 and 3 only, C tells all are correct only, D tells only 1 and 3 are correct. So, we have to select which of these three options are the indicators used by IFPRI. IFPRI means the International Food Policy Research Institute to compute the Global Hunger Index report. So, whenever we see such a question, we can say that it indicates that whenever we come across the reports or index like Global Hunger Index report or Ease of Doing Business report, such reports, we have to learn the indicators or criteria used to prepare such index or report. So, here they have asked the indicators used to compute the Global Hunger Index report by International Food Policy Research Institute. The index is prepared on computing the undernourishment and child stunting, child mortality, and also one indicator is there, child wasting. So, 4 indicators are used. One is undernourishment, child stunting, child mortality, and the fourth one is child wasting. Child stunting means lower height to the age, and child wasting means lower weight regarding the height of the children. So, let us see which is the correct option. I have already told you that all of these 3 indicators are correct only. They have been used to make or to compute the Global Hunger Index report, and other than these 3 given indicators, the fourth one is child wasting. So, all are correct only. So, our option is C, that is 1, 2 and 3 are correct only. So, we have finished all important topics for today. Thank you for watching this video.